When I found out that we were state champions, I couldn't believe it. Like, I was very proud of us because I knew that we could do it, but I was very nervous because we were going against schools from all over the state. And as many people know, the Valley serves as the powerhouse for mariachis. And we were going against those powerhouses and with a new group as well. So going against those schools, I was a little bit nervous at first. I just told my group and my section, enjoy it and to take it all in because it was going to be a very, very successful process. And when they told us that we won, when we found out that we won, when the lady announced it, we all started jumping up and down. People started crying. It was an amazing experience being able to say that we're now the 8-time state champions.
You know, it's a process, you know, of course, and never an easy one, but definitely it's part of what we do, you know, here at the high school level. And coming off of a year where we had a phenomenal group in 2024, just ended the year at Carnegie Hall performing in front of thousands, and it was a phenomenal group, but we had a lot of graduates, and we knew it was going to be a tough year where we started off the year with probably about 70% of the group was brand new. So it was a challenge, definitely. Those first few months were really just a lot of working on fundamentals, a lot of working on honing their skills, and a lot of technique, a lot of standard repertoire, because it was the first experience for the majority of these kids with mariachi music. Definitely something that motivates myself and my team, because we have a great team here of directors as well, is just being able to keep that tradition, you know, that tradition of excellence that we've been able to build here at McAllen ISD and McAllen High School over the years. So, you know, I guess it's kind of like a sports team that reaches that success, and then it's hard not to have it. So, you know, you're going to work as hard as you can. You're going to put in as many hours as you can with those kids to build them up again. I guess the inspiration comes from the love that we have for this music, for mariachi music, for our culture, and just trying to do it at the best way possible, at the highest levels. So you know, I know people say, you know, it sounds cliche, but if you're going to do something, you know, you better put you know, all your heart into it, and you're going to do something, do it well, or don't do it at all.
Being a mariachi student, and especially here at Mac High, where we have a tradition of winning so many awards and doing so many great things, accolades, it's just an amazing process, you know. Being part of Mariachi Oro is a true blessing, because it's one of the things that a lot of kids want to be a part of, especially because of all of the amazing things that our group does, all of the work that the students put into our program. It shows, and it's really awesome being a part of our group.